If you are interested in seeing how I accomplished this super easy DIY image transfer on this t-shirt, keep watching. Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you guys a super easy way to transfer any image at any time to any t-shirt from home. Guys, so you'll need your printed images on regular printed paper, as you can see here. You need, your t-shirt, a scissors, plastic wrap, not my phone, but you do need parchment paper and an iron on very high heat. To begin, you are going to cut out your image as close to the line as possible, and then you are going to wrap it in the plastic wrap. When you're wrapping it in the plastic wrap, you want to make sure you cover all the areas, including the front and the back, completely. Once you have the image wrapped completely in the plastic, you are now going to make your placement on the t-shirt and get ready for the next step. Now you want to cover all areas of that image with parchment paper and get your iron ready to press down on that image. I am recording and doing this with one hand, so I hope this makes so much sense to you guys. You just want to keep pressing, because what you're doing here is you're melting that plastic onto the t-shirt. You want to press for maybe about a good minute. What I was doing was like taking a peek. I would like lift the iron and then I'll lift the parchment paper a little so that I can see that the transfer has been made. This is something you can do as well without ruining the transfer. And voila, magic. Magic, not really, but this looks completely amazing. And it looks like I could have left it on for a little bit, so I'm just gonna press a little bit more so that the heat melts that plastic some more into that paper and into the fabric. And voila! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you are looking forward to more, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you are notified when I upload new videos.